What up, YouTube? In today's video I have the Z jacked up and we're going to be replacing the axles. As you see, my axles are ripped. I don't know if you can see, but both of them are ripped. So we're going to be changing the axles out. We're going to be changing the exhaust in the next video. So either way, I'm dropping the exhaust completely so I can access the bolts in the back and these bolts right here and take them off. It should be a pretty simple job, not too hard, but all the wheels have to come off. This one has to come off and this one has to come off. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car now. So here are the axles. You can see how the rips boot, all the crud went everywhere. Look at the rag, pretty dirty. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a 14mm and put it right here. I already loosened all of them. And then you're gonna back and forth. So 14mm, always work from the bottom. So these two first, and then roll the rim, roll the axle towards the driver front, and then just keep working your way on both sides, and eventually you'll be able to take it off. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna slack them. You know, here's the bolts, and take them off. All right, guys. So next step, take off the rims. See this nut right here? You're gonna take this nut off, take out the cotter pin for both sides. I think it's a 36mm for this. As well as I'm gonna putting hub centric rings. They're somewhere in the trunk, but yeah. As you see, the axles torn up. Here's the new axles, brand new. There's the other one. I have it next to the thumbnail. I gotta take a thumbnail for this, but overall pretty happy. Can't complain, bro. These things look nice, and the welds, look at that, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna slap these on. I got new nuts too, thank God. So new hardware, new everything. Slap these on, pretty simple. Slap them on the front first, then grab the back, put the nut on there. You know how it is. It's pretty simple. All right, guys. So the new axle is in, as you see. Looks pretty damn good, as you see. Everything is tightened. Castle nut is tightened. Everything's tightened. Looks pretty good. So that's pretty straightforward, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure everything's tightened, and take care, y'all.